Welcome to the Honorable Vice Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. As you all know that today is National Unity Day and on this important day I am present with few lines about the importance of National Unity Day. I hope you like this speech of mine and you will also be inspired by it. National Unity Day is celebrated every year on 31st October on the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel is the only great person who has made his biggest contribution in the making of United India, due to which our India is united today. Sardar Patel was a new thinking person like today's youth even in that century. After getting independence in 1947, there were more than 500 princely states in our country. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel integrated these princely states in the country with his clear policy. India live together with love and harmony. There is unity in diversity in our country, and this is the biggest strength of our country. All this has been possible only due to the efforts of Sardar Patel. We will never forget his contribution to pay Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The strength of any country lies in the unity of that country, and the development of any country is possible only because of peace, prosperity and unity. National integration helps in the formation of a strong country and also encourages the development of the people. Therefore, the biggest feature of our country is that all the Indians here live together without any discrimination. People of different castes, religion and sections live here. Different languages are spoken in different regions, yet we Indians understand each other well, respect them and support each other in happiness and sorrow. All of us countrymen should understand the importance of National Unity Day. We and our country will be safe only when there is unity among all of us Indians. In the end, I would like to say that all of us Indians should always be united for the unity and national security of the country. Therefore, on the auspicious occasion of today, we all Indians take this oath that we will always maintain the unity and integrity of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.